Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment.
Hi, I'm Wendy Tanner, sales representative, Remax Escarpment.
We're here today at our newest listing at 10 Ash Street in Lost Forest Park at 4449 Milburough Line in Burlington, Ontario.
This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath bungalow is perfectly located within Lost Forest Park at the back of the park, backing onto green space. The home has 2-car parking and a beautiful garden behind. The park itself features an in-ground outdoor pool, a clubhouse, and lots of activities.
Thank you for visiting us at 10 Ash Street in Lost Forest Park in Burlington.
If you would like to book a showing to view this bungalow, or if you would like to buy or sell in Burlington, please give us a call. My name is Wendy Tanner.
And my name is Mark Woehrle.
We can be reached at 905-512-1846.